Hello, friends. Good morning to all of you. I, Arpana Pandya, would like to welcome you in the next session of today's. See, friends, today I am going to provide you all detailed things and example ready-made on the screen of the syllabus. See, friends, since many videos and many days, you people were having doubt that, madam, what are the actual syllabus things regarding our study or with me. See, I, Arpana Pandya, will deal with 3 papers. The first one on the screen, which you are observing now, that is a study of American Literature 1, paper number 13, Main English Semester 5. So here the bluest eye and the hairy ape would be there, and the last one is of Toni Morrison and of the Eugene O'Neill's study. So total 5 units would be there. Mark system is given, and today we are going to start with the unit 5 to discuss about Toni Morrison and Eugene O'Neill. So please stay with me for the detailed discussion of Toni Morrison. See, friends, before this paper I have already completed this thing which you know very well, Far from the Madding Crowd and Heart of Darkness. Even we discuss a lot about Thomas Hardy and Joseph Conrad. That would be your paper number 504, a study of English literature. Yes, so prescribed books are also given. Those who want to refer by net even can refer by net site. Yes, so this paper number 4 we have already completed. Today we are going to start this paper number 13, a study of American literature. Both of the writer belong to America as it is given on the paper title. And the last paper we will discuss, and that would be a study of Indian writing in English, paper number 12. That is also for 70 marks. Please observe the thing, or you can have screenshots, so whenever we start this paper you can go through it, or you will not have any problem or doubt. See, unit 1 would be of Indian writing in English, then Renaissance India, drama, the novel and new poets. This would be the syllabus for paper number 12. So as we have completed paper number 504, today we are going to start paper number 13, American literature. Yes, in American literature today we are going to provide you the first introduction of Toni Morrison and then Eugene O'Neill. And as we understand the Eugene O'Neill and Toni Morrison background, we are going to start Bluest Eye as well as Harriet. So please, friends, stay with us and enjoy your study with all interest. Bye-bye. Let us start the another video for the detailed discussion and introduction of Toni Morrison.